The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box.
Remove the screws using a T15 Torx driver.
Close the glove box.
Remove the 2 Torx screws securing the bottom panel to the glove box assembly.
Open the glove box. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1225 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first, then press to lock the top. Reclip the panel back into place. Open the glove box. Reinstall the screws.